Welcome to the Copulla intraoral scan training experience. Based on best practices, this VR training session will teach you how to achieve high-end results using the Copulla scanner. You have two training options. The first option is a fully guided step-by-step training session. The second option takes you directly to the scanning process. Click on the option you prefer. By pressing the trigger button, you will advance through the stages. Click the Continue button on the instruction screen. Get acquainted with your VR environment by touching the various items in the room. Holding the joystick, touch the patient's chair. Touch the Copulla screen. Touch the scanner handle below the Copulla screen. Touch the patient. Touch the mobile phone. To pick it up, click and hold the grip button on your joystick. Touch the scanner handle. To pick it up, click and hold the grip button on your joystick. Well done. Let's proceed. When you're ready, click the Continue button on the instruction screen. To log into the system, follow the on-screen instructions to get a user authentication code on your mobile phone. Then, click the Login button on the Copulla screen. Once you've received the verification code on your phone, enter the code on the Copulla screen. To continue, click Submit. Select the appropriate procedure for this patient. Click the Digital Restoration Treatment button on the Copulla screen.